Learning to speak German fluently can feel a bit like staring up at a towering, complex castle. When you are standing at the bottom, the final goal looks incredibly far away. But successful language learning does not happen by sprinting wildly toward the top floor. It happens by drafting a clear plan and carefully pouring a solid base, one layer at a time. Congratulations, and welcome to your Day Zero orientation at Learn Language Education Academy and Falowen Learning Hub. Your A1 German journey officially starts right here. The golden rule for today is simple. Take your time. Breathe. Read the information carefully and do not rush into the course material. Slowing down right now to understand how this course works is the only way to ensure the words and grammar you learn will actually stick in your memory long term. To build this base properly, you need to know exactly how to use the daily materials in your construction tool belt. This blueprint diagram lays out the process. Notice that the very first step is Video Ansehen, which means watching the video. This is the tool we use to deliver your initial instructions and introduce new concepts. Next, we add the grammar. These are the structural rules, the load-bearing beams that hold the German language together so your sentences don't collapse. Finally, we move to the workbook. This is your active workspace, where the actual hammering and nailing happens, allowing you to apply the knowledge you just watched and learned. Along with using these tools, you have daily administrative steps. You need to check in for attendance to show you are on site and review your marked work to see what needs fixing. Mastering exactly how to use these tools and complete your admin steps before you even start day one keeps you from getting confused and losing valuable time during the actual lessons. As you work through the course, you will notice your daily tasks are divided into two distinct categories based on how they are evaluated. This animated sorting mechanism shows how it works. On one side, we have lesen, which is reading, and hören, which is listening. These drop directly into a bucket for your submitted assignments. Think of these submitted assignments as mandatory structural inspections. Your instructors must grade these to ensure your foundation is meeting the required safety standards. Now look at the second bucket. Here we have schreiben, writing, and sprechen, speaking. These are categorized strictly as practice tasks. Because these practice tasks aren't officially submitted for a grade, it might be tempting to skip them, but doing so will leave hollow spots in your walls, guaranteeing a structural failure of your language skills down the road. By separating the tasks this way, we remove the performance pressure on your speaking and writing. You have full permission to safely make mistakes and build muscle memory without worrying about a failing grade. Let's zoom out from the daily routine and look at your entire journey toward German fluency. Look at this diagram. Everything begins with this solid block, your A1 foundation course. As you progress, levels A2 and B1 stack directly on top, relying entirely on the stability learned here. At the peak sits your ultimate destination, Gotha exam preparation. But before you can raise that flag, we need to bring our focus back to the immediate present and your remaining responsibilities for today. Please read through the rest of the orientation guide, answer the orientation questions carefully, and make sure you understand the mechanics we've discussed. By finishing this simple Day Zero checklist, you will have successfully prepared the site and poured the foundation required to conquer Day 1.